Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Yaesu FT-890 transceiver and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this not working properly, not getting a signal, not responding, and you've already tried a soft reset, you might need to move on to a hard reset. Now this is going to wipe everything off of it, and that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to set this up new, maybe you're buying a used one or selling it, or just whatever reason, you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can get it all set it up just the way you like it. We can go ahead and do this real easily. Basically, first of all, we're just going to go ahead and power off our transceiver, and then we need to turn the backup switch off. And the backup switch is on the front, on the bottom cover, right here in the front. We can, in this little hole, inside the hole here, there's a little backup switch. So we're just going to turn that off. And once we turn that switch off that's in there, then we're going to let it sit for several minutes. And then we can turn the transceiver back on. And then once we turn the transceiver back on, then we can come back and turn the backup switch back on as well. And that will clear everything out and it will be restored to its factory out of the box defaults.